Assalamu alaikum class 1 students. I hope you all are fine. Okay, now beta, this is the video number 1 of your English text work. English text copy work is all completed and checked. The 3 chapters are completed. Elijah says hi. Number 2 is Mama's Mouse birthday present. And number 3 is lights out. The copy work is completed and checked. Now we will move forward to the book work. Okay, now take out your English reading books and open page number 56 of your book. Write down the date on the top of the page and we will start the exercise. Exercise A is use the nouns in the box to fill in the blanks. There are some of the nouns are given and you have to fill these nouns in the blanks according to the sentence. Okay, a dash is a dash is an animal with a small tail. Okay, small tail, which animal has a small tail in this? Rabbit or squirrels? Squirrel has the small tail, so you will write the squirrel here. Number 2 is a dash is an animal with a long tail. Which animal has a long tail? Squirrel. A dash is a small thing that grows flower. A dash is a tall thing that grows tree. You use your arms to give someone a hug. You use your mouth to give someone a smile. So this is the exercise number 1. Now turn the page on page number 57. Here are some of the so here are 4 questions. Choose the best answers. You will write the best answer, tick the best answer. Okay, where did the rabbit go? As you all know, rabbit go in the under the bushes, so you will write the option B, tick the option B. Number 2 is who came to visit Elijah? Who came to visit Elijah? As you all know, his grandparents visit Elijah's home, so you will tick the A part. Number 3, what was the squirrel doing? What was the squirrel doing? A squirrel gathering the nuts, so you will tick the C part. Number 4, what did grandpa give Elijah? What did grandpa give to Elijah? He gave a smile, a kiss, a present, or a hug. He gave a hug to the Elijah. Okay, now the book work of Elijah says hi is completed. Now we will move to the book work of Mama Mouse birthday present on page number 62. Write down the date on the top of the page. Fill in the blanks with the past tense of the verb. Here you have to write the past tense. Okay, verbs are given in the bracket and you have to write the second form. Okay, I dash my teacher a box of chocolates. Give. What is the second part of the past tense of the give? Give, second form is gave, so you will write the gave here. I gave my teacher a box of chocolates. Number 2, Jack dash he was sorry. Say. What is the second form? Said. So Jack said he was sorry. Number 3, Sally dash a pain in her stomach. Have. Second form is had, so you will write had in the blank. Number 4, my grandmother dash me a present. Buy. Buy second form is bought, so you will write bougst bought in the fourth blank. Number 5 is my Mr. Brown dash us to stop talking. Tell. Tell second form is told. Okay, so you will write told in the fifth blank. So this is the exercise. Now turn the page on page number 63. There are the true false. Number 1 is little mouse went to the bakery. Yes, little mouse went to the bakery to get the birthday cake for mama's mouse mother, so you will circle the true. Number 2 is little mouse fell into the lake. No, little mouse not fell into the lake. The cake fell into the lake. So you will write false here. Number 3, the cake landed on the ground. No, because the cake fell on the lake. It's not a ground. So you will circle the false. Number 4, little mouse thought he didn't have a birthday present for his mother. उसने क्या सोचा था कि उसके पास जो है वो बर्थडे प्रेजेंट अपनी मदर के लिए कोई भी नहीं है. सो दिस इज़ द ट्रू स्टेटमेंट. यू विल सर्कल द ट्रू. So this is the work of the Mama's Mouse birthday present. Now move on exercise on page number 80, lights out, the third chapter. ठीक है, lights out की एक्सरसाइज है ये. एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1 is draw a line to match the adjectives in list A and list B. Here are the adjectives given in the list A and the list B. You have to match it. Okay. Flat are the first word is flat. Flat is the soup or a bowl or moon, light or a battery. So batteries are flat, so you will take the dots to dots from flat to battery. Number 2 is bright. What is the bright? Bright is the light, so you will match it. Number 3 is hot. Hot is the soup. Number 4 is full. Full is the moon. And number 5 is empty. Empty is the bowl. Okay, so like this you will match the list A and list B. Now exercise number 2, choose the best answer. Okay, you have to choose the best answer. Who made the soup? The whole family made the soup, as you all know. We have discussed in the chapter in the class. The whole family made the soup, so you will take the D part. Now move on page number 81. Number 2 is why couldn't the family eat the dinner? As you all know that the light has gone and the room is very dark. So because it was too dark in the room, they didn't start the dinner. So you will take the B part. Number 3 is why couldn't the family use the torch? Because the batteries are flat. The torch his father's found, the batteries of the torch are flat, as you all know. You will take the C part. Number 4 is what was on the table. When they have to start the dinner, what was on the table? Bowls, spoons and soup. So you will take the A part. Now this is the completion of the book work as well. I hope you all have understood. Take care and Allah Hafiz.